Tonight, while billions of people sit down to watch the opening match of the 2026 World Cup, a small group of creators are preparing to make money from every goal, every upset, every controversy, and every viral moment that happens over the next month. Most fans will spend money during the World Cup. A few people will make money because of it. And the difference between those two groups starts today. The World Cup is not just the biggest football tournament on Earth. It's one of the biggest attention events in human history. For the next few weeks, the world will be focused on one thing: football. And wherever attention goes, money follows. Think about this. Every 4 years, billions of searches explode overnight. People search for predictions, match schedules, player stories, country rankings, underdog teams, biggest upsets, controversies, highlights, statistics, and thousands of other football-related topics. What most people don't realize is that every search represents an opportunity, because every question needs an answer, and every answer can become content. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people believe you need to be a football expert to benefit from the World Cup. You don't. You don't need to be a coach. You don't need to be a former player. You don't even need to show your face. You simply need to understand one thing. Attention is an asset. And the World Cup is about to create more attention than almost any event on the internet this year. So how do regular people capitalize on it? The first way is football content. Not match highlights, not copyrighted footage. I'm talking about stories, facts, predictions, player juries, team histories, tactical breakdowns, AI-generated football videos, short-form content, the type of content people binge-watch between matches. The second opportunity is digital products. Most people completely ignore this. Printable fixtures, prediction sheets, tournament calendars, fantasy football trackers, match planners. Simple products that can be created once and sold repeatedly.
The third opportunity is affiliate marketing. Millions of fans will buy jerseys, streaming subscriptions, sports accessories, gaming products, VPNs, football-related services. You don't need to create a product. You simply connect buyers to sellers and earn a commission. The fourth opportunity is AI content production. This is the one I'm personally excited about. Imagine creating football instrumentals, country-themed anthems, matchday hype music, player tribute soundtracks, motivational football edits. AI has made it possible for a single creator to produce content that previously required an entire studio. And because demand is exploding during the tournament, the audience is already looking for content to consume. Now here's the mistake most people are making right now. They are waiting. They want to see what happens first. They want to wait until the tournament becomes exciting. But by then, millions of creators will be chasing the same trends. The people who benefit most are the people who start before everyone else, the people who prepare before the crowd arrives. Because when a player scores a shocking goal tonight, somebody will upload content about it. When a team causes an upset tomorrow, somebody will create a video. When a controversy trends across social media, somebody will capture that attention. The question is, why shouldn't that somebody be you? And here's the biggest secret of all. The money isn't really in the World Cup. The money is in the audience you build because of the World Cup. The tournament lasts a few weeks, but the subscribers, the followers, the customers, and the fans you gain can stay with you for years, long after the final whistle, long after the trophy is lifted, long after the tournament ends. That's why smart creators aren't looking at the next few weeks. They're looking at the next few years. Tonight, the World Cup begins. Billions of eyes are about to focus on football. A massive wave of attention is forming right now. The only question is whether you'll watch the wave or ride it. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools, content systems, and monetization methods I'm using to take advantage of the biggest football event on the planet. The World Cup starts now. Let's get to work. See my channel for 2 World Cup songs. One is an instrumental and another a song.